Hi, today I'm going to explain to you the IELTS exam format. IELTS, the International English Language Testing System, evaluates your English on the basis of 4 skills: listening, reading, writing and speaking. This exam is divided into 2 categories, the general and the academic. The general category is for those people who are looking to move to an English-speaking country for the purpose of job or PR. The academic category is for those people who are looking to move to an English-speaking country for the purpose of higher studies or any other course. The listening exam is for 40 minutes, the reading for 60 minutes, writing 60 minutes, and the speaking exam is between 11 to 14 minutes. The listening, reading and writing examination happens on the same day at a stretch, which means that there will be no break between the 3 examinations. The speaking examinations happens either before or after these examinations in the span of 1 week. Let's start with listening. So listening will be your first examination and it will have a total of 40 questions. Now these questions will be divided in 4 sections. The difficulty of these sections will gradually increase, which means that the first section will be the easiest and the 4th section will be the most difficult. Now, before each section, you will have some time to read your questions thoroughly, after which the audio will begin. Once the audio begins, you will have to listen and write the answers simultaneously. Remember to write your answers on your question booklet. At the end of 30 minutes of listening, you will have 10 minutes to transfer these answers from your question booklet to your answer booklet.